Do you struggle with staying on track with your meals, particularly because of the crazy, hectic schedule that you keep inside and or outside of your home? Well, I've got the answer for you, and it's called meal plan, meal plan, meal plan. You guys, meal planning is not a trend. Meal planning is not a fad. Meal planning is something that is here to stay because what it is planning on doing better. It is planning on making better choices. It is planning on eating foods that will benefit our bodies. It is planning on intaking nutrient-rich things that will give us the fuel and the energy to help us be our best throughout the day. It is planning on making this chapter of our lives the best chapter of our lives. Hello, everyone. I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. Yes, meal plan is it for me. I am now 60 years old, and I have to tell you guys, as I was approaching this milestone age in my life, I realized that there were some habits that I actually was doing throughout my life, things that I actually started when I was a preteen, and that was not eating. And I realized that that was a habit that I actually needed to break. But having said that, my schedule is in fact crazy and hectic, both inside the home and outside of the home. And I would not eat throughout the day. And you heard me say before, not eating is as bad as eating the wrong things because you're not giving your body the nutrients and the fuel that it needs so that you can, in fact, show up and be your best. So when I found this concept called meal planning, I decided, okay, that is something that I definitely have got to do. Plan on doing better. And you guys, this is actually episode number 2 of a 4-part episode where I am bringing you some healthy, easy, delicious, nutrient-rich breakfast ideas as well as lunch ideas. And today, those 2 recipes being a cottage cheese scrambled egg, and I have paired it with some turkey bacon, delicious and high in protein. And for lunch, you guys, the absolutely delicious, easy, phenomenal egg roll in a bowl. So because I'm working from home today, you guys, I am going to sit back and I am going to enjoy this phenomenal breakfast. And I'm going to roll the footage and show you just how easy it is to put this together. Get this whisk. 21 seasoning salute. Absolutely love this. Take on over to the stove, so I'll see you there. You guys, that was absolutely phenomenal. And I have some grapes here that I can snack on in between my breakfast as well as my lunch. And one thing that I also tell you guys, one thing that I do not struggle with, that is my coffee. So I've got my coffee here and also water. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Cannot emphasize enough how important it is to make sure that you drink plenty of water throughout the day. Our bodies are made up of about 65% water, and it is essential, okay, for the overall function of your tissues and your organs. And another thing that you can do too, particularly if you don't like the flavor of water. Water is flavorless, but I have no problem with it. But just in case you don't, one of the suggestions that I can make is to use a flavor pack such as Ultima. Not only does it give you phenomenal flavor to your water, but it has key electrolytes that your body needs. It has the magnesium, it has potassium, and it has calcium. So I do also encourage you to give this a try as well. So you guys, without further ado, let's get into recipe number 2, which is a lunch option. And if you've not yet tried this one before, you guys, I will leave the link up there, but obviously I'm going to show the footage to let you see just how easy it is to put that together. And that being an egg roll in a bowl. I am using lean ground turkey. I am using pre-packaged coleslaw, some phenomenal seasonings and Asian herbs. And you guys, it comes together so quickly. And once again, it's one of those things that you can have for lunch, you can have for dinner, and also for meal prep. So without further ado, let's take a look and see how easy it is to put this together. Sprinkle that in. Mix this up. Okay, now that our meat is ready, it's time to add in our cabbage and our carrot, otherwise called coleslaw. We're going to add our garlic and our grated ginger. We are going to add in some soy sauce and some toasted sesame oil. And our egg roll in a bowl is ready. You guys, I have put this egg roll in a bowl on repeat in my household. Both my husband and I absolutely love this recipe. And even if I didn't do meal prep, it comes together so quickly, so easily, without compromising any of the flavor or the nutrients, that I will take about 20 minutes to prepare that actual dish. And another thing that I will tell you as well, if you do love an egg roll and you like the duck sauce, I have a tip for you, you guys. Buy yourself some sugar-free apricots and put some garlic powder along with some soy sauce in it, and you have got yourself an ingredient-controlled, sugar-free duck sauce. And as a matter of fact, I made some of it when I put together a fried egg roll recipe. I don't think I've yet published it, but that is coming up real soon. So you guys be on the lookout for that recipe as well. So you guys, here it is. Here it is. I've got 2 delicious, phenomenal recipes. One for breakfast, that cottage cheese egg with some turkey bacon. And another tip for you as well, if you want to control the fat in that recipe, then what you can do is, since it's 2 eggs, you can use 1 whole egg and you can use just the egg white in the second egg. And of course, my bacon is turkey bacon, very little fat in that. And then you guys, the second recipe is this delicious, flavor-packed, savory egg roll in a bowl. So give both of these recipes a try, and please do leave in the comments. Let me know how you feel about it. And if you are enjoying the content that I am bringing you here, which is making better, healthier choices with the foods that we eat without compromising, you guys, any of the flavors that we have come to love, then you have landed in the right place. So please do me the honor of subscribing to my channel and also sharing my channel with those that you feel would benefit from what I am bringing you here. So you guys, when you know better, you do better. And I am here to share that with my community as well. Thank you guys for being here. And as I always say before I sign off, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you guys right back here real soon with more delicious recipes. And also, if you are interested in working this body, you guys, then join me on the workout floor as well. And I'll see you real soon. And thanks for joining me.